Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Apple just released iOS 15 Beta 1. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 15 Beta 1 on iPhone 6 to iPhone 12. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap Safari and search for beta profiles. Now we have to tap on first link. After loading the page, scroll. Here we go. iOS 15, download iOS beta profile, iOS 15.0 beta 1, and we have to tap on install profile. A menu, a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on install anyways. Now a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in setting app if you want to install it. Tap close. Now go to settings. Profile downloaded. Tap on profile downloaded. Now we have to tap on install. iPhone passcode required. Tap again install and install. If you want to restart your iPhone, then tap on restart, otherwise tap on not now. Now tap on done. Now go back to settings, general, and tap software update. Here we go, iOS 15 developer beta ready to download in iPhone 6 to iPhone 12 and is holding 4.39 GB. Now we have to tap download and install to get iOS 15. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.